We are Quality Austria Central Asia. We are the leaders in engineering design, project management, third party quality audit, the areas that matter for sustained growth and strength for companies. Quality Austria Central Asia Private Limited was formed in 2010 as multinational collaborative efforts that happened with business handshake between the European Quality Assurance giant Quality Austria and an Indian company, Peacock Global Quality Assurance Private Limited. And since formation, we have registered exponential growth with our clients. We are in sectors that matter for growth: construction and infrastructure, health and education, industrial automotive, oil and gas and coal, telecom and power transmission. Exponential growth is reflected in growth chart. Minimum annual growth rate 30% every year, from 27 employees to 1300 plus employees. Single office to 15 offices span India. Turnover from 1.5 crores to 62.5 crores. Our services: certification and training, quality audit and inspection, technical advisory, design and engineering, project management, business excellence services. Our accreditations speak about the quality we share for our clients. QACA is accredited by QCI, NABCB and NABET for the following: ISO 17020 Third Party Inspection, ISO 17021 QMS and ISO 17024 Certification of Personnel. Design Centers: 2 Engineering Design Centers, Delhi and Bangalore. 50 Design Engineers, 10 MTech Structural Engineer. Resources: 1300 plus on-roll employees. 800 plus engineers span India. 15 offices span India. Presence in 9 Asian countries. Sectors: infrastructure, oil and gas, power, building, public health and safety, telecom, automotive, education, coal, railways. The QACA bouquet of professional services: third-party inspection, construction management and supervision, quality audits and assessments, engineering design, site audits and inspections, pre-dispatch inspection, vendor-supplier assessment, structural design, outsourcing, technical staffing, geotechnical services. Pan-India presence: New Delhi Corporate Office, Mohali, Jaipur, Lucknow, Bhopal, Ahmedabad, Kolkata, Mumbai, Pune, Chennai, Bangalore, Hyderabad, Guwahati, Patna, Kochi. Countries: Bangladesh, Nepal, Korea, Japan, Thailand, Indonesia, Singapore, Vietnam and Philippines. Our clients: automotive: Maruti Suzuki, TVS, Hero, MTech, Motherson Sumi System Limited, Hero Cycles, APL Apollo, Showa, Mitsubishi, PCP, Vibe, Sankyo, Victoria Group, Maxop. Industry: Tata Steel, Exide Industries Limited, African Industries, Patanjali, Shalimar Paints, Havala, Trim India, Steel Summit, Alstom, Mahindra First Choice, Manitou, Jaguar. Telecom: American Tower, Indus Towers, Sterlite Tech, MI, Bharat Infratel Limited, Vodafone, Jio, Dhoot, Hutchinson, HFCL Group, Tower Vision. Power oil and gas: Indian Oil, Bharat Petroleum, Hindustan Petroleum, BSES, CUGL, Power Development Department, Jammu and Kashmir Government. QCI, Delhi Metro Rail Corporation Limited, Webcos, Northern Coalfield Limited, State Planning Department, Uttarakhand Government, Madhya Pradesh Public Works Department, Kakindara Smart City, Western Coalfields Limited, National Skill Development Corporation, NALCO. Education and Health: QCI, PMJ, NABCB, Swachh Bharat, NABET. Accreditation and certifications: QCI, NABCB, NABET, CIS, European Organization for Quality, IQNET, BMWFW. QACA is accredited by Quality Council of India for the following: NABCB accreditations: ISO 17020-2012 Third Party Inspection, ISO 17021-1-2015 Management System Certification, NABET accreditation ISO 17024-2012 Certification of Persons, Welder Certification Scheme. What we have: ISO 9001-2015 QMS, ISO 14001-2015 EMS, ISO 45001-2018 OHS, IATF 16949-2016 Automotive, ISO 13485-2016 Medical, IRIS Railways, ISO 21001-2018 Education, ISO IEC 27001-2013 IT, ISO IEC 20000-2005 IT. Quality Austria Central Asia. We are available at Quality Austria Central Asia Private Limited, 52B Okhla Industrial Area, Phase 3, New Delhi 110020, India. Our phone number 911146465100, extension 123 and 133. Our email ID marketing@qacamail.com. Our website www.qualityaustriacentralasia.com.